Wait till I tell you about me and your man at Lights All Night.
You slept with a boyfriend, you're saying?
I don't think they were dating. She's got multiple boyfriends, but...
How did that happen?
Well, we were at Lights All Night, and... Gotta catch my breath. Thank you.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Okay.
On the second night, I had ran into him. He looked so cute. He had a man bun. He thought I looked pretty nice.
Yes.
In my,
And that's why you're a whore.
Oh, because he...
And that's why you're still a dirty whore.
You should be worried about
You're
why
a
he wanted
dirty
me
whore.
instead of you that night.
You're a dirty whore. Anybody loves me.
Because you hook up with anybody?
Sweetie, that's you shaking your ass and for everybody.
Obviously, your man liked it a whole lot more.
Well, let's meet the dog.
Money.
Hi, how's everybody doing?
Hey.
Hey,
all right.
Nice to see you again.
Okay. Yeah.
You can get away from me.
Oh, man. Man, all right. So, how long have you two been going together?
5, 6 months, maybe.
Yeah.
Not too long, you know, just figuring stuff out.
Yeah. And she helped you figure it out?
A couple things, yes.
Yeah. What do you want to say to him?
You're a dirty whore just like her.
I did what I had to do, I'm sorry. She just looks so nice, and you were...
I'm sure it does. Anything looks nice to you. You think with your not your head.
Well, maybe if you were a little
And that's why we're not official.
And maybe if you were a
That's
little
why
more
we're not
available...
official.
You're not Facebook
It doesn't
official?
matter. You can get the
Maybe if you wouldn't curve me so much, I wouldn't have to look for affection
doesn't
somewhere
matter
else.
because I don't need your affection. I don't care about you. Get away.
Ooh.
Get away from me.
Who's
Maybe I'll-
Gracie?
My best friend.
Oh, your
And
best
you need
friend.
to step the hell away from me. You can go be with that whore
Here's
over
Gracie.
there. My bitch.
Hi, Jerry.
Hi, Gracie. Yeah, well, how do you figure into... You guys are friends?
You're gonna need
Yes,
to help
best
me with
friend.
these two.
And what can you add to the story?
Okay, so I'm here because of this girl. Screw all these people.
Well,